Good morning, students. So we are now going to tackle the communication strategies. Effective communication, it's about just talking. It's about connecting. Who can explain that? Eliza?
We emphasize that successful communication goes beyond the simple out of conveyed words. It highlights the importance of building a genuine connection and understanding between individuals.
Very good.
Social institution. Social service fraction and mobility social groups and social relationship. Uy! Tingin ka dito!
Ang
Nakikinig ka
ganda
ba?
kasi ng view, pero nakikinig ako.
Social psychology. This area focuses on collective and deviant.
Tara na guys, baka maubusan tayo ng pagkain sa kantin. Ano bibilhin niyo?
Barbecue na lang.
Kung ano, yung makita ko lang sa kantin, yun na yun.
Guys, alam nyo ba, gusto nang kinuha ko kasi pang professional daw yun.
Ako ABM kasi magdi-business ako. Ako Humes kasi.
Yung
lang? Anong Humes lang? Alam niyo bang marami kayong matututunan at makukuha kayo sa Humes? We are Humes students. Of course, maraming gustong maging teacher, lawyer, journalist, psychiatrist, at soldier.
We are young students. Confident kami sa pagtatalika ng public speaking.
We are Humes students. Of course, mas napapa-improve namin ang vocabulary at writing skills namin.
Bye class, thank you for listening.
Did you know Humes, which stands for Humanities and Social Science, is more than just a strategy. It's a journey into what makes us human. We delve into literature, philosophy, history, and social science to explore the complexity of human behavior and society. Our focus is broad. We study why people act the way they do, how societies are structured, and how cultures evolve. We learn to analyze text, counter argument, and understand different perspectives. But it's not just about academics. Humes equips us with critical thinking, communication, and advocacy skills. These are essential for any career, whether it be in law, education, journalism, public service, or content creation. In the Humes strand, we are encouraged to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and gain knowledge. We learn to appreciate diversity and understand the importance of social responsibility.
Kamusta ka?
Ayos lang, principal na ako ngayon. Ikaw ba?
Ayos lang din, gawin na ako ngayon.
Ba't ka ba naman dito?
Dito ako para umatit ng meeting ng anak ko.
Humanities and social science. We may not be able to provide you your true love, but we can provide you your dream job.
Nandito ako para umatit ng anak ng meeting ko. We are students. We are home students. Of course. Confident. Gusto ka?
Ayos lang. Lawyer. Huwag mo nga kunin yung pan.
Bye! Bakit ako What is